Hey there! Welcome to the 7 home maintenance tips every homeowner should know. Straight from a seasoned carpenter who's seen it all, built it all, and fixed it all. Now I'm here to help you take care of your castle, whether it's brand new or been through a few wars. You don't have to be Bob Vila to keep your home in shape, but if you follow these tips, I promise your wallet, your walls, and your sanity will thank you. Let's get into it. Test your water heater's pressure relief valve once a year. It's a small task that prevents a big problem like a flooded basement. 16. And let's not forget, fix that leaky faucet. The constant drip, drip, drip ain't just annoying, it's money literally going down the drain. 17. Check for loose floorboards or tile. You don't want to trip over your own house, do you? 18. Use felt pads on furniture legs to prevent scratching your hardwood floors. Your floors aren't a wrestling mat. Treat them with respect. 19. For carpet stains, tackle them immediately. A little vinegar and baking soda works wonders. Procrastination doesn't. 20. And for the love of all things holy, don't steam mop hardwood floors. Wood and water don't play nice. 21. Change your air filters every 3 months or more if you've got pets. Clean air is happy air. Remember, your home is your biggest investment. Take care of it and it'll take care of you. Or at least keep the gutters clean. Baby steps, right? And hey, if you ever feel overwhelmed, the BuildNCreateSolutions team is qualified and ready to assist. Visit BuildNCreateSolutions.com for a quote today. Now, go grab your toolbox, roll up your sleeves, and make that house the envy of the block. See y'all next time.